50 pesos, 14.5. Ayan, body wash. Kuha tayo ng Fanta. Strawberry, 5,000 lang. Nasa 20 pesos.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so we are here now at McDonald's Indonesia with a Balinese design. Yeah. Hi guys, so now let's go food hopping and buy some snacks since we will have 1 hour drive going to Uluwatu from Ubud. So yun, dito kami ngayon sa Alfamart Indonesia. Alfamart price 36,000, diaper 51,000, 48,000. Yeah, Bebelak 36,000. Mi goreng 3,100. Mi sedap 3,300. Makapal. Mi sedap 13,900. 5 bungkus, 5 pieces.
Uy, ito ba yun? Ito?
Ito lang yan eh.
Ito lang ba yun?
Oh, wow, spaghetti 3,600. 2,000 lang.
Ano 2,000?
Yung bili natin dun sa kabila. Pero hindi na tayo babalik dun eh. ABC 96,000, 11,900.
May chips din sa ano, busi na yun.
6,500, jelly 29,000, Hopia 33, Hello Panda 82, Poki 13,700, Poki 96. Chips 15,000, popcorn 12,400, 12,000. Hindi ko sure. Isipin mo na lang presyong 7-Eleven. Oishi Sponge Crunch 15,000. Oishi Rasa Udang Pedas 15,000. Yun na lang. 8,000 tik. French fries. Drinks.
Wala na sila ng...
Fanta 5,000.
Wala.
Malo. Saan yun?
Ito lang po.
Deodorant 45. Body wash 14,500.
14,500. Tama ba? BTS yun?
14. 15,000. Ano gano'n?
14,500.
50 pesos. 14,500. Ayan, body wash.
50 lang. Wala na ba iba?
Ikaw, tingin ka pa.
Itong hand wash.
Hand wash strawberry. Indomart pala to eh.
Pero may mga stock.
Di pala tayo sa Alfamart. Indomart pala to.
Yung sa racing.
Oh. We are here at Indomart. Indomaret. Oh no.
Ito, wala pang ano.
Pocari Sweat 12.9 lang. Milo. Water 3,000. 4,000. Manga Playboy Yakult. 9,900. Buat tayo ng Fanta. Strawberry. 5,000 lang. Nasa 20 pesos. Indomaret. We are here at Indomaret. Pochabi. 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 6,000 bag. So yun, 10,000 binayad na. Indomaret. Walang sulat. Isa may sulat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Indomart. Indomart. Indomaret. Indomaret. Yeah. So yun, nandito na kami sa McDonald's, Indonesia. So dito kami magla-lunch pero take out lang. Alright, so we are here now at McDonald's, Indonesia with a Balinese design. Yeah. Ayan o. Coach. Saan? Ito maingat. Alright guys, ang daming tao. Toys.
Happy meal ako para makakuha tayo yan.
Sino ba yan? Pili po ko ata o mainan. Kontok Happy Meal mo. Drawing. Double Big Mac 88,000. And this is their menu. Selamat Hari Raya. Yakiniku burger, kulay white, no?
Meal? Bakit kala ko Happy Meal?
The Bottle Tower. Iced lychee, pero plus 10,000. Daring Fanta. Yakiniku, spicy chicken yakiniku.
Make it a meal.
Make it a meal. Medium meal. Sprite. Medium. No add-on. Add to order. 7,000. So, view my order. Not today. Not today. One Hello Kitty Happy Meal burger. Take away charge 2,000. Toy.
Okay?
Show details natin to. Ayun, may toy na siya. So, dalawa yung toy mo. So guys, for the payment, they accept this type of banks. Yan. Okay, so let's wait for our order. So let's go check what we can see in the second floor. McDonald's Indonesia, yeah. Right guys, so let's get our order. 1 to 3, 1 to 10. Sa Hello Kitty, ayun, tatanong mo lang sa kanila. Dorong push, tarik pull. Tarik pull. Yan, ito kami sa McDonald's Indonesia. Yes. Yun yung fries nila. Sobrang liit. Kiddie meal. Kiddie meal? Happy meal. Happy meal, yes. So for me, where's my order? Oh, my order. Got this kind of French fries. Little bigger, and then my burger is Taste of Japan. It's not Indonesia and they don't have Indonesian stays, and it's color white burger. Let's check the burger. Open, then let's just flip, then the white burger. Yeah, let's see it. Let's taste the white burger.
Parang siopaw.
Yakiniku burger.
Spicy ah.
Spicy.
Parang
Color white.
max spicy sa akin.
Yeah. Very spicy. Very spicy. But it's okay. I can take it. Yakiniku burger.
Hindi kaya mo yan.
Yup. Okay. Alright guys, we are almost there at Uluwatu. It's very traffic here in Indonesia, as you can see. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat jalan. Suksuma. Next up, let's go discover the Uluwatu Temple and find some wild monkeys.